Once you've plugged the foot switch into the Pro, you can go to Menu, go up to System and Control Setup, hit Enter. Foot switch 1 control, and you'll see the variety of options we have available to us. So go from off. You've got kit number increasing, kit number decreasing, set list increasing, set list decreasing, click start, click stop, click start and stop, where you hit it once to start, once to stop, tap tempo, and all sound off. Let's go to kit increase on foot switch 1. You'll have noticed there that nothing happened, but it went to F2. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to change it to this one. I don't know why it does that, so I haven't quite worked that out myself yet. But anyway, there we go. Now we've got a patch change, and it's just going to keep going up as many times as I click it. Let's go back to menu. Kit decrease, obviously going to go the other way. So let's go back into menu here, back into control setup, and if we go to set list increasing, now this one, you have to be in a set list for it to work. So if I'm like this, I can stomp away all day, nothing's going to happen. I have to be in a set list. So set list there. If I go into one, I've made a load of silly named ones for previous videos if you haven't seen those. If I go into Derek, number 7, and then hit, it's going to go to set list 8, 9, 10, and so on. So that's that. Tap tempo as well. You'll see that light when I start tapping now. You'll see this as well, this number's changing, and that light's going to get faster. And you see that if I slow that back down. And all sound off as well, pretty straightforward. Could do the loop, couldn't I? And that's kind of all there is really to say about the foot switch. Quite a useful tool for certain things. If you need one, you need one. If you don't, you probably haven't clicked on this video.